Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by eliminating the biggest slowdowns. First, sign into the same Apple ID and enable iCloud photos on every device. This ensures a single library. Once done, connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or plug your Mac into Ethernet for consistent throughput. Make sure devices are charging and not in low power mode, and enable background app refresh so uploads continue when the screen sleeps. This reduces interruptions and prioritizes continuous background syncing. Now you'll tune performance. Update iOS and macOS to the latest versions so Photos uses recent sync improvements. Software fixes can dramatically change speed. Next, temporarily pause or remove large shared albums and photo stream to shrink the upload queue. Smaller batches sync faster. Make sure Wi-Fi assist is off, disable VPNs or proxies that throttle traffic, and stop other devices or apps from saturating upload bandwidth, so iCloud gets priority and moves through files quicker. To complete sync, monitor the photo's status indicator so you can see remaining items. Large videos take longest. If uploads stall, restart the device and, if needed, sign out and back into iCloud to reinitiate the session. This refreshes authentication tokens. If photos still won't progress, rebuild the Photos library index on Mac or export originals and re-import into a new library as a last resort. If problems persist, contact Apple support. They can check server-side issues tied to your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.